Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you this awesome animated titles pack from EasyEdit.pro. They have this pack called Titles Pro, which is basically a indispensable pack of animated titles for any project that you want. And this is for DaVinci Resolve, so you will find over 1,500 templates, which will include minimal titles, lower thirds, sales, quotes, callouts, liquid, digital, glitch, kinetic titles, and even ready-made scenes. You will have different categories to choose from anywhere from fashion to sports, cinematic, countdown, storms, typographic details, and even backgrounds. So these are different categories that you can use for your projects using this pack. And this pack is also compatible with 4K videos, so your titles will look sharp even on a big screen. So let me just show you this pack, how to use this. So right now I have this template pack installed, and over here, this is the folder. And if you click on this, you will find these different folders. So for example, the first one is for a tutorial where you will be able to see how to use this pack in DaVinci Resolve. And then there are also links that will give you the access to different elements used over here, such as the fonts. There is a compositions preview, there are Illustrator files as well, and then there are fonts. So you can also install the fonts for this. And the most important one, which is the project file. So if you go over to the projects file, here you will get an option for installing. This is a document that will give you some information on how to install. And I will just show you in this video, which is a very simple process. So if you just double click on this, this will take you over to DaVinci Resolve and it will give you the option of installing. So I have already installed, but this will give you the option for installation. You will just have to click install and then you will be able to use this. And once you click on install, this will automatically add these elements, these templates to your library over here. So let me just show you. Right now I am in DaVinci Resolve and over here you will see the titles. Here you will get the Titles Pro pack. These are all the different titles. Then in the generators, you will get different generators, backgrounds. And then in the effects, you will get these different viewfinders. So these are the different categories that you will get once you click on install, and these will automatically be added to your effects panel. So let me just show you a little bit, do a little bit demo by using these. So let's just go over to titles, and here we have one line, and if you minimize this, you will get 2 lines, 3 lines. So basically different categories that you want to choose from. For example, you want different lines in your text, you can use 3 lines, 2 lines, that's up to you. Even big text. So there are many different categories that you can choose from, lower thirds, chords, just like I told you before. Every single one has a different category. So there are many different elements over here, many different templates over here that you can choose from. So let me just go over to one line once and let's just choose this one. So here you can simply just drag this into your timeline and you can see how this looks. Play this. So this is how it looks. And you will see that this will also animate. And once the length of the composition ends, this will, end. So one amazing thing about this is that if you want to increase the length of this title, what you can do is simply just drag this accordingly. And what this will do is this will automatically resize accordingly. So right now, as you can see, first this was ending somewhere around here, but now if you play this, you will see that the duration will end as the animation will end, or you can say the animation will end as the duration of the clip ends. So from 5, we will able to stretch it to 8 seconds, and you can stretch this even more. And if you click on this, you will be able to get access to the panel over here where you can change the text, for example. So let's say new text. So you can change the text from here. You can change the color, the font, the size. There are different settings for this. And you can also change the lines color with the lines over here. So let's just try this. So here I have a red color and the color has been changed. So these are the different settings. You can also use these titles with the generators as well. So let's just go ahead and select the generator, this first one, and let's just resize this. And now let's go over to the titles. And from here, you can just select any one and just bring this over. And let's just play this now. And here you will see that this will give you the option for adding backgrounds to the titles as well. And you can once again adjust these as well. You can adjust the title just like I showed you, but you can also adjust the gradient over here. So you can go over to this panel and this will give you the option for changing the color, color one, color two. So you can also do that. And one other interesting thing is that if you click on any one of these, you will be able to go over to the Fusion page to add more. So over here we have this button. If you click on this, this will take you to the Fusion page where you will see that there is our text right here. And you can once again do the adjustments just like we did before. But in this one, you can go over to modifiers and do some additional adjustments as well. And you can also add effects on top of this, where you can do more customization with this in the Fusion tab. So this is how you can use these titles, these backgrounds, and let me also show you the viewfinder over here. So for example, let's just pick this viewfinder. And one amazing thing is that once you hover over this, this will also give you a preview, just like it is giving us now. So let's just bring this into our text and go over to the text panel. And here you will see we have the option to adjust this viewfinder as well. Right now, this is a bit light, so it's not visible, but if you go dark, this will be visible now. So let me just play this and see how this looks together. So this is how simple it is to make these adjustments and use this pack. So you can use this for your YouTube videos, Instagram stories, posts, blogs, presentations, advertising, TV, movies, even music videos, TikTok videos, or even product promos. So this is suited for any task that you possibly have. Now, amazing thing about this pack is that if you purchase this once, you will get free updates with completely new categories and content in the future. Even if you are just a beginner, you are just starting with video editing, this is a perfect pack for you to get started with because this will not only give you many different elements to play around with or many different templates to play around with, but this will help you improve your designs as well, your videos or your edits as well. Now, this pack is not only available for DaVinci Resolve if you're using Premiere Pro or Final Cut. This is also available for those as well. But I'm using DaVinci Resolve, and that's why I showed you in how to use this in DaVinci Resolve. Now, just to go over some features, once again, 1,500 plus elements and 23 different categories, unique animated styles, 4K, compatible and auto-resize. Quick preview and add in one click. Easy for beginners. Plus, there are 753 Illustrator files for branding, free updates, 24/7 support, and even tutorial is included. Now, this pack is for DaVinci Resolve 18 and above, so make sure that you have the latest DaVinci Resolve, or at least it is DaVinci Resolve 18. So if you go over to the link in the description, this will take you to the website easyedit.pro, and here you will get the option for getting this template pack. So this is called Titles Pro. So here you will find different details. I just told you about those, and you will get different previews and the all the options, all the things that I just told you about, you will find over here as well. So this is where you can basically get this template pack. Now, there's also one giveaway. If you go over to the link in the description, I have a link in the description. If you go over to that, that is basically easyedit.pro/packs/DaVinci. Here you will find different template packs for DaVinci Resolve. And these are different template packs. And if you like any one of these, so for the one that I showed you in this video is this Titles Pro. But if you like any other one of these, let me know in the comments and we'll be doing a giveaway. So make sure that you write the name of the template pack in the comments. So this was it for this video. I hope this was helpful for all those people looking for different templates, looking to get their designs or their video edits to upgrade. This will really help you in your editing process. So once again, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next video.